Good afternoon, guys. My name is Peter and welcome to my channel. I'm headed somewhere to do some errand and I wanted to do this video while I'm driving. So welcome on board. If this is your first time, guys, do watch my video, judge by yourself. If you like the content, please don't forget to subscribe. The returning ones, thank you so much again for your support. I'm not taking it for granted and I really appreciate it. So let's get started. I'm headed somewhere here to do some few errands, being a Saturday, and I want to do this video. So yesterday I saw on the news. I usually watch Kenya news, and there was an incident whereby there was a gas explosion in Embakasi, Nairobi, which is in Kenya. And I wasn't on the ground, but you know, from the news live sources, it was too bad, and most of the people got injured. And I was looking at some clips on the internet. A lot of people sustained injuries, and I know I saw some politicians coming there to come and witness whatever happened, trying to condole those people who were affected. And it is unfortunate when something like this happens and nobody's aware. And what touched me most is people who were caught off guard. They didn't even have a place to go for treatment. So I saw some people saying, you know, they tried to go to some hospitals, and for example, they went to a nearby small hospital which takes care of you know, mothers who go there to nurse babies or getting babies for the first time, and they didn't have the skills and the tools to help those people who sustained the injuries. So they had to be taken to different health institutions or hospitals for those kind of treatment. But what started the explosion, they say it is a gas, and I don't have clear information, but from what I heard, is like a gas station which is nearby Embakasi. That's where the proprietor or the business person who sells the gas, you know, there's a depot over there whereby you go and, you know, buy the gas and probably transport it to other places. So I don't know the specific time when it was, but by the time I came to watch the news, the US time was yesterday around 9 o'clock in the morning, which is equivalent to Friday around 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon. But be it as it may, so for those ones who were affected, I wish you a quick recovery. And whatever you are doing, you know, pray for those others who lost their lives. And I wish there was a quick response to save more people if it wasn't unexpected, because people were running here and there. They were confused and they didn't know exactly what to do as far as the evacuation plan is concerned. I hope that our leaders will assess the situation, and the authorities who are in charge of the investigations can look into that, so that in the future something like this does not affect people. Because I looked at the images. I don't have the images right now, but I was looking at the images. The images were terrifying. I saw one vehicle burned. I saw buildings destroyed. I saw people sustained a lot of burns, their skins, and a lot of things were messed up. But hopefully, like I said, we wish them a quick recovery, and I hope those ones who lost their property, the government can come in and try to help them. The politicians and other people, well wishers, they can come and help those people out. So other than that, those ones who are staying across, nearby, help one another when a problem like this one happens. Otherwise, we pray for them for quick recovery and everything. And I hope, things will work out and people will go back to their normal lives. So thanks, you guys. I got to go to my appointment, and hope I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.